Hello! Today's video will be how to access Panopto in Canvas. In Canvas, you have a navigation bar to your left-hand side, and as you can see, there is no Panopto, but we can add it by going down to the Settings tab. After you select Settings, select Navigation. By scrolling all the way down, you can see navigation buttons that are not in use. Select Panopto Video, drag and drop it to the top, and don't forget to save after you've dropped it. If we go back to the home page, we can see on the left hand side that Panopto Video is now in our navigation tools.